Now the Tunisian full stitch is a matter of working in between the existing stitches that are there. So what you see here is that you see the legs of the stitch work here. You want to play within the gapping spaces in order to do the full stitch. So what you have to do is that it consists of two different passes, and we have to concentrate on the passes based on the gapping spaces that are on the front side and the back side over here. So let's just do the forward pass first. So let's do the first one. So you're just gonna come in between the space of before the first vertical and just going in and yarning over, picking it up. So you're just going right in the space and then start going into every space in between all the way to the end. Now the thing about it is that you have to concentrate on the last space of not using it. So every other row you don't use the last space, and you'll see why in just a few minutes. So I'm going in between the space so you can see this is nice and fast. So in this case here, because I went into the space before the vertical here, I want to jump over the last space here and immediately just go into the regular outside stitch here. Pull through. So there's 12 loops on here, so I know I'm right. So now to come back, chain up 1 and then pull through 2s all the way back. So that was pass 1 of 2. To do the next one, you have to skip over the first space that you have before the vertical and come into the space after the first vertical, and then pick it up and start there. So you see you're shifting over back and forth when you consider this. So you're just going into the spaces between the stitch work. Your hook just automatically wants to just fall into the holes, and in this one you want to get this the space before the last one and then go into the last stitch as normal, and then pull through. Then pull through 1 and then 2. So it looks completely different. Completely, and it looks awesome too. Let's review one more time. So the first pass, we want to go into the space before the vertical, and then into all the spaces except for the very last one between the last vertical and the last stitch. Okay, so I want to skip over the last space there and go right into the last stitch. Pull through 1 and then pull through 2s all the way back. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's a great stitch, and it's nice and easy too. And now this one, when you go and start, you want to go into the one after. If you kind of see, it's in, out. So it'll zigzag on the outside. So you're gonna come into after the first vertical and start, and then that means that you're going to go in the space before the very last stitch on this in order to keep the balance. So this is called a full stitch. And then come into the outside, last one, and then pull through and then 2s all the way back. Can you believe you could do so many cool things with Tunisian? It's awesome. So this is the Tunisian full stitch. You can see it looks like a completely different monster, and it looks amazing, and I think you could have fun with this one here, and it's pretty easy to maintain and simple. So that's it for now. That is the Tunisian full stitch.